So for this project, we were tasked to seal the coping and expansion joints around a 5 to 6 year old pool. You can see how drastic the old sealant is peeling off from the deck. We began the project by pressure washing the coping first. We do this so we can remove any dirt and grime off the coping before we seal over it. Now every sealer is different, but for this project we were using a solvent base, so we had to make sure that the surface was completely dry before application. So during the waiting period, we shifted our attention to the expansion joints. Here we're just using an oscillating multi-tool to cut out the old sealant. After cutting out the sealant, we use a shop vac and a broom to clean out any debris out of the joint, and we fill any pinholes or voids that may cause an issue once we start sealing. Here we're using Sika 2CSL with a sandstone color pack. You can see the self-leveling properties gives it a smooth, uniform finish. A common question we get from customers is about the foam and sand that we're applying on top of. This is here by design because we only want it adhering to two sides. Three-sided adhesion will lead to premature failure and peeling. After 24 hours of dry time, we came back to seal the coping. We used a penetrating enhancer to bring out the colors in the stone and give it that subtle, wet look without a gloss. A common misconception is that these sealers will cause a slippery surface, but penetrating sealers don't perform the same way as acrylics do. Penetrators embed into the stone while acrylics are more topical, and likely shouldn't be used in general for exterior use, especially in places like Texas where UV exposure is so high. After 2 coats, you can really see the colors drawn out of the stone, and it definitely gave it a revived appearance.